So I built this bloody ages ago, I think for my daughter's fourth birthday. Anyway, she's sort of outgrown it a bit, her legs stick right at the front. So yesterday, I cut and extended the handlebars so she can get her legs underneath it, and then moved them forward. So they used to come back here somewhere. I've moved it all forward, so now she can use it again. I thought, well, if she can bloody use it again, I might as well make it a useful piece of machinery. So I've just put a tow bar on it, so she can tow stuff around the yard for me, into trailer. And then I thought, fuck it, I know. How about a bulldozer blade? So, just been making this blade. It's pretty substantial. I don't think it's going to bend, but I was going to mount it off of one of those shafts in there that doesn't spin. So I'm going to put it around there, put a strap around it, and then I've got a new jack there. I'm going to cut that up, and that's going to mount on the front there, and that'll raise and lower it, so she'll be able to do a bit of bulldozing for me around the yard, flattening out piles of crap and what have you. So she can use it a bit more, and it'll be useful as, isn't it? Making these brackets for my noisy machine. I'll cut 2 of them bits of 10mm. Shit odds. Fucking one of the best things I bought, that. Got it second hand as a scrapper, and I fixed it up. Bramley. Now I've got 2 of them. I shall cut them about, drill some holes in, weld them on, and we can drop the bolts through. And then all I've got to do is the up and downable bit, which is that jack. What is right there like that. Right. There's my little bits, I'm just going to glue them on there. And then that's pretty much it. Then it'll need a coat of paint, but I might do that tomorrow. But hopefully we'll be able to go about the roof. Just got a temporary bolt through there because I ain't got any bolts, but I could cut it down and put 2 nylocks. I might do that, or I might go and get a bolt. But let's see if it works. So it's not the fastest in the world, but it should be grunty. There you go, all the way down. She should be able to do some damage with that, I reckon. And then that way to go upwards. And there it is parked. Test pilot. Now you can leave it like that if you want. Depends if you're doing bulldozing, eh?
Which way is it going to go up?
Clockwise.
So which one does it go down? So it needs to go down.
Anti-clockwise. Other way, other way. Nice dozer in.